Effective 15 March 2025, the maximum deposit insurance coverage provided by the Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation, PDIC, is increased to 1 million pesos per depositor per bank. Punta tayo ng website ng PDIC. PDIC is just like life insurance, but for bank depositor protection purpose, this to secure your money. EDMAP, safe ba ang pera ko na more than 1 milyon sa isang bank? What will happen to my 2 million, 5 million, or 10 million pesos? Bago natin ituloy ang discussion, welcome and please subscribe. Thank you. Let's say you have account in main branch, another account in branch 1 and on branch 2. Regardless if you have multiple accounts on different branches, 1 million lang makukuha mo. Nalugi ka ng 16 na milyong piso. Here's the recommended strategy. Ilagay mo sa iba't ibang bank with 1 milyong piso maximum. Let's say one is sa BDO, second is BPI, and third is Union Bank. This to make your money much more safe and secure if when something goes wrong with one of the bank. Diversification ang tawag dito. Don't save to save, save to invest. Only emergency fund should sit longer in the bank. Why? Because of inflation. It's fine if you want to seat your money more than 1 million pesos as long as you have planned to invest it on a later time to make your money grow. Paano ba labanan ng inflation? Pagtaas ng bilihin to maintain the value of your money? One is electronic bank like GoTime, ING, Uno Digital Bank, Maya Bank, GSave of GCash, and Tonic. They give 4% to 8% yearly interest. Second is Pag-ibig MP2, a program savings ng Pag-ibig na nagbibigay ng 6 to 8% dividend payment yearly. Ang maganda dito, hindi mo kailangan magbayad ng tax. Thanks for watching.